Hi. Thanks for watching. Today, I want to tell you about a hotel located in Las Vegas, USA. Definitely one of the best hotels in Las Vegas. South Point Hotel, Casino and Spa is a resort located in the heart of the southwest Las Vegas Valley, just minutes away from the airport and 10 minutes away from the famous Las Vegas Strip. Some of the amenities include a 16-screen Century Theater movie, a bowling center and a variety of 11 restaurants that cater to all appetites and tastes, including one of the best buffets in Las Vegas. The South Point Las Vegas Casino features a large selection of table games, slots and poker tournaments. Soak up some sun, and let your stress melt away into a lagoon-style shimmering turquoise paradise pool. A unique feature to this property is its equestrian center, which is the finest horse facility in the country. South Point also has a fabulous 400-seat showroom that features headliner entertainment and dancing to live bands. For sure, South Point Hotel, Casino and Spa is a place where you will want to stay. Whether traveling for business, pleasure or both at the same time, South Point Hotel Casino and Spa will make your visit to Las Vegas unforgettable. Please, consider leaving a review of the South Point Hotel and Casino to help other travelers to decide if it's right for them. Simply enter your review in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. See you soon.